Dr. Sanjay Kamble. On behalf of Vocard Medical Team, the Vocard Medical Connect, and the RSSDI TV brought to you by Brocard, I welcome you all for the show. Today I have with me Dr. Anjali Bhatt, who is a founder and consultant endocrinologist at Pune. And Madam has delivered a very excellent talk yesterday on cardiovascular outcome trials. Madam, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Madam, we would like to know a few things from you regarding your talk yesterday. So, the first question I would like to ask you is why do we need the cardiovascular outcome trials?
Right. See, our understanding regarding management of diabetes has evolved a lot in last 20-25 years. So the cardiovascular outcome trial concept came in 2008. Before that, most of the trials done for the drugs that are used for reducing the blood glucose in patients with type 2 diabetes mainly focused on reducing the glucose values. First time in 2007 or 8, it was realized that even though we treat diabetes by reducing blood glucose levels, cardiovascular disorders are not coming down, or maybe they are increased by some of the drugs. And that is why it was recommended to do a trial on not only looking at the glucose lowering aspect of these medications, but also what they do to the cardiovascular outcomes. And even if that time we didn't know about their usefulness in cardiovascular outcomes, but the main important reason why cardiovascular outcome trials were introduced was to make it sure that in the process of reducing the glucose, they do not increase the cardiovascular risk. So it was mainly a trial done for safety of the drug in terms of cardiovascular outcomes.
So, ma'am, what insights are being given to us by the cardiovascular outcome trials?
Right. So as I said that even though the cardiovascular outcome trials were introduced to make sure that they are not increasing the cardiovascular disorders, we surprisingly and pleasantly so found out that some of the drugs that reduce glucose values in patients with diabetes also improve the cardiovascular outcomes like cardiac events, myocardial infarctions, cardiovascular death, heart failure. So there are drugs now which are used in cardiovascular outcomes even in non-diabetes patients. So what started with an initiative, as an initiative to show cardiovascular safety, has gone up one step ahead to show us that it is not only safe but also reduces the cardiovascular outcomes in patients with type 2 diabetes.
Okay, so what is the latest information we have on the CVOT trials?
Right. So in 2008, when CVOTs came into picture, their design was done with keeping in mind the reason of safety. Now, for last so many years that we know that there are many drugs in patients for patients with diabetes to reduce glucose, and they are also safe from cardiovascular point of view. Now, I think we are in process of improving the guidelines uh, from the point of view of a broader perspective, not just the safety. So the design needs to be improved. So the older design of cardiovascular trials will be improved now, and the design might get merged with the phase 2 or phase 3 trials that happen before marketing the drug. And I think that will not only provide us a better design of the trial but also might reduce the cost of new drugs that are developed for patients with type 2 diabetes, and that's going to be a very good leap of science, I would say, when it comes to anti-diabetes medicines.
So, what is your opinion about the CVOT trials?
Before I form my opinion, I'll tell you that for the talk, I spoke to around 20-25 very senior and key opinion leaders who are working in field of diabetes in India. I also spoke to some industry people who are developing the drugs. And I also spoke to economists, because I think what we are worried about is that when we generate this proof of a drug being safe and useful, it indirectly adds to the cost of the drug, which has to be paid by the patients. So all of the key opinion leaders are of an opinion that we definitely need data on safety. We also need to keep the science going on to have new insights that will uh, help us in having information about these drugs. But at the same time, we don't want the patients to bear the cost of this drug. So in my opinion also, I think we need to have a better design which will reduce the cost. We need to include other stakeholders like government, the patients, clinicians in forming this data, which will help us in forming safety as well as utility informations of this drug, and we can find out the ways to reduce the cost that is being borne by the patients.
Sure, ma'am. Definitely, this is definitely going to help, and thank you for those very informative words. And definitely, CVOTs are the way ahead for all of us, as we all know. And we definitely look for more such data coming up in the near future. Thank you so much for your time, ma'am. Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.